This week we're going to highlight the latest crop condition ratings and progress from the USDA. We're also going to take a look at the latest short-term weather forecast as we move into the month of September. We're going to take a brief look at final harvest progress for Brazil. And we're going to wrap things up with a long-term view on December corn futures. Hi, this is Brian Basting with Advanced Trading. Let's talk about the corn market. We've moved into the final week in August here, and that means we're edging closer to harvest time. Let's start out this week taking a look at the latest crop condition ratings from the USDA. The USDA did show a slight decline here from 67% good to excellent to 65% good to excellent this week. Notice it's still above last year's 56% level, however. Across the Midwest, we did see some improvement up in North Dakota, South Dakota, but we did see some significant declines, for example, in Nebraska, Illinois, and across that eastern corn belt. Let's take a look at the historical crop condition index here. It's declining seasonally, but notice there's only 1 year in the last 8 years where it's been above where it is today, and that was the year 2018. So we're still looking at a historically strong index. Let's now take a look at crop progress here. We're looking at corn dented. We're looking at that as of August 25th. Highlighted here over the next 2 weeks, on average, corn dented increases approximately 31% into September 8th. So we'll be looking at, on average weather, we'll be looking at around 70 to 75% of the corn will be dented by that first full week in September. Let's now take a look at the short-term weather trends. Our slides this week, as usual, are courtesy of T-Storm Weather. Starting out here looking at the last 30 days. Mixture, but overall, pretty good precip over the last 30 days. Some dryness there in that northern half of Iowa. Northwest Indiana's been a bit dry, and Nebraska's been a bit dry too. But for the most part, some pretty decent precip totals over the last 30 days. Let's now take a look at the short-term forecast. We're looking to hit some hot weather here through Thursday and Friday of this week. Through that southern two-thirds of the corn belt there, looking at highs in the 90s and lows in the 70s. Now, we're looking for some relief from a large cool front that moves down here later this week. Some scattered rain is going to accompany that into Thursday, Friday. Now let's look ahead to August 31st to September 7th. That first full week of September, really pretty dry in that northern area. Down there in the south, maybe some scattered rain. Really not much rain as we move into that first full week of September. Let's quantify rain now over the next 2 weeks. We're looking here at some dry conditions across most of the corn belt. Driest up there in the northern plains. The eastern corn belt, maybe Indiana, Ohio, will be a little closer to normal. Let's now turn our attention to Brazil, where they're wrapping up corn harvest. Let's take a look at where that corn is produced in Brazil. Again, this is second season safrinha corn in Brazil. The largest state, Mato Grosso. That is completed harvest, as we'll show you in a second. It's the southern states, Mato Grosso do Sul, Paraná, Minas Gerais, and Goiás. They're still harvesting. Now we're looking at that again. Mato Grosso here is finished, as we showed on the chart here. The maps show that Goiás, Minas Gerais, Mato Grosso do Sul, and Paraná are all above 90%. So nationwide here at 98%. Last year at this time, only 84%. Let's wrap things up this week looking at trends in December corn. December corn futures, as we tape here on Tuesday, are trading near $3.90 a bushel. Notice between now and that crop insurance harvest price in October, we still have the potential for some upside volatility as well as downside volatility. So we strongly encourage you to continue to work closely with your trusted risk management advisor to manage price movement. Now, if you'd like more information, please feel free to contact us at 800-664-2321. We'll put you in contact with one of our risk management consultants who'll be happy to visit with you at your convenience. And remember, we upload every Wednesday. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and never miss an upload. And remember, this weekend will be Labor Day weekend. We wish you a safe and enjoyable holiday. Thanks a lot.